Hey everyone, is your VoLTE not working on your Aldi mobile? Don't worry, in this video, I'll walk you through simple fixes to restore your HD voice calling. Let's get it sorted. The Aldi mobile VoLTE issue arises from the 3G network shutdown, which requires devices to support VoLTE for voice calls over 4G. To fix this, ensure your device supports 4G VoLTE, update its software. Enable VoLTE in settings and verify compatibility by texting 3G to 3498. Why Aldi Mobile VoLTE not working? Your device lacks VoLTE capability or requires a software update. Aldi Mobile does not fully support VoLTE or Wi-Fi calling on its network. Outdated software preventing VoLTE activation. Network compatibility issues due to the 3G shutdown and limited band support. Device blocked from accessing the network due to lack of emergency calling over 4G. Fix 1. Check for VoLTE feature. Ensure your phone support VoLTE and emergency calls over 4G. Ensure your device support Aldi mobile network band, especially band 28, which is in 700 MHz, which is critical for 4G connectivity. Text 3G to 3498 to verify compatibility with Aldi's mobile network requirements. To check your device, go to Aldi Mobile Blog Device Check page. Enter mobile first 8 digit of IMEI number. Enter CAPTCHA and click Check my phone to check compatibility. If your phone is blocked, you have to upgrade your phone to 4G or 5G supported device. To find IMEI number, iOS, go to settings, then general, then go to about, then find my IMEI number. On Android, open settings, about phone, then go to status, find your IMEI number. Alternatively, dial *#06# to find your device's IMEI number. Fix 2. Restart your phone. If your mobile is 4G capable, there might be an issue with the network settings or the device unable to find a strong. Restarting device will help device to find strong signal. On iOS, press and hold the power button along with the volume up or a down button until the slide to power off slider appears. Drag the slider to turn off the phone. Wait for a few seconds and then press and hold the power button to turn it back on. On Android, press and hold the power button or volume button, tap power off and wait for a few seconds, then press and hold the power button again to restart the device. Fix 3. Reset network settings. Resetting network settings resolve VoLTE issue by clearing incorrect configuration, resetting cellular data settings, and ensuring a fresh connection to the network. The process will delete all saved Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. On Android, open Settings app and go to System, tap on Reset options, then select Reset mobile network settings or Reset Wi-Fi mobile and Bluetooth. Confirm by tapping Reset settings. Your phone will reset the network settings to default. On iOS, open the Settings app and tap on General. Scroll down and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, then choose Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode if prompted and confirm by tapping Reset Network Settings again. Your iPhone will restart and network settings will be restored to default. Fix 4. Check VoLTE status. Enabling VoLTE helps resolve issues with Aldi Mobile by allowing voice call over the 4G network, which is essential after the 3G shutdown. It ensures clearer calls, faster connections, and simultaneous voice and data usage. If it is enabled already, try disabling and enabling it. On iOS, go to Settings, then go to Mobile data options, voice and data, then select 4G and VoLTE on. On Android, go to Settings, then Network and Internet, Mobile Network, select your SIM, preferred network type, and toggle VoLTE or Enhanced 4G LTE mode. Contact Aldi Mobile. If issue persists, contact Aldi Mobile support for further assistance. Call 2534 ALDI for free from your Aldi mobile phone. If you are trying to port your number, you can dial 1300989000 within Australia or 613922355590 from overseas. Standard rates may apply.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.